Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Wi-Fi drivers for Windows 10 from Lenovo Support. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your computer and ensuring it is connected to the internet. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Lenovo Support, support.lenovo.com. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Lenovo Support page. Once the page loads, locate the search bar. Enter your Lenovo device model number into the search bar. You can usually find the model number on a sticker at the bottom of your laptop or on the device's packaging. After entering the model number, press Enter or click the search icon. This will direct you to the product support page for your specific device. On the product support page, look for a section labeled Drivers and Software. Click on this section to view. In the Drivers and Software section, locate the category for network drivers or Wi-Fi drivers. Click on the Wi-Fi driver option to see the available downloads. Check for the latest version of the Wi-Fi driver compatible with Windows 10. Once you identify the correct driver, click on the Download button. The driver file will begin downloading to your computer. Navigate to the location on your computer where the file was downloaded. Typically, this will be your Downloads folder. Once you find the driver file, double-click it to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation is complete, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Once your computer reboots, check your Wi-Fi connection to ensure it is working correctly. If you're still having issues, revisit the Lenovo Support page for additional troubleshooting options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.